Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I believe that the Bricks Form that picker field type input doesn't have option to enable the date range. There is only option to enable time, but a couple days ago I really need a feature to create date range to input field on Bricks Form. If you see here, yeah, we can only choose one date. If I need like a date range, what I usually do is just duplicate the field, and then we will have an option. No, we will have multiple field to define. This is the start date, and this is like the end date. But I think it's really not really good, because I only one field, and then the user can like choose straight from its field the date range which he need. I'm gonna try to create that without a simple JavaScript. Okay, let's see here. If you open up the console, and you will see that the Bricks builder using flat picker. It's a library to here. Flat picker, it's library to what is this? The flat picker is lightweight and powerful daytime picker. So it's the function is just to create like a calendar element, so the user can choose the date, and then the value he choose will input in the field, something like that. If you see the option or the example, there is an option to enable the date range. Which one is that? Range, here, range calendar. So we can like choose the range from the calendar. I think this is good, and I think I really need this. So because it's already use this script, what we need to do is just simple JavaScript to load the flat picker script and CSS file, and then which one is that? Oh yeah, here. And then enable it and target the specific field to show the calendar, to show the input calendar itself. So let's see here. The first thing is, let's create a field, and then leave the type to text, and let's name it the date range, and placeholder date range. Okay, let's see on the front end. Okay, this is the input field, so I'm gonna target this field to display the flat picker calendar UI. The first thing is, let's go to snippet plugin. You can use on your function file, or yeah, you can use the plugin like what I will do here. Snippet plugin, you can find it free on the WordPress repository. Use it whichever you like. I'm using the WP code here. So let's add new script and add your custom code, and let's name it like add date range to form contact. Oops, yeah. Choose code type to PHP snippet. The first thing is, we're gonna add a JavaScript code and load the flat picker library into specific page, because I don't wanna like my whole website loaded the flat picker library. I wanna target just this for only this just for this specific page. So the page ID is like 839. I'm gonna go to my website and you can find it. There is a short snippet which I always use. Let's see, add script CSS to specific page. I think this is wrong title. It's not specific page but specific post. I'm gonna edit later. So just copy this and paste it to your snippet. And yeah, this is wrong. It's not single but it's page, because I loaded the form on my page, not my post. And then post ID, this is the post ID. So let's take a look. This is the page ID, not post ID, sorry. It's page ID. And then so I'm gonna put the script letter here, but later the first thing is I wanna enqueue or load the flat picker library. If you take a look at if you take a look on the Bricks Form file, let's see which one is that form. Let me see. I cannot show you the structure of the Bricks theme file, but I will only use the code which they use. So this the enqueue script and enqueue style, and this is the name of the script and the style. So you only need to like copy and paste here. So let's activate and save snippet, and let's see first. Oops. Oh, I need to oh. Ooh. PHP function. Wait. Okay, let's save first. And why it's thrown error? Here. I think I have used this function name somewhere. I need to rename it first. Function load flat load. No. Function that range from just use this name aja. And then change the WP head to footer, because I'm gonna load the script on my footer. And let's paste again the WP enqueue script and enqueue file to load the flat picker script and style. Let's activate and update it. Alright, let's see on our page. Let's scroll down. After the main tag there should be a script. Okay, oh no, not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. I am it's not, because I only load for the function is to only load. And oh yeah, I forget to change the ID. Man, this is really bad tutorial. But yeah, in case you need something emergency, you can follow this. Just patient, listen to my speech. Alright, and let's load it again. Let's see the flat picker, whether the flat picker library is already loaded or no. Let's see which one is the flat picker. I'm gonna find it. Flat. Nope. I think I know the it's not single, man, it's page. Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's just wait patiently, and let's see flat picker. Okay, now the script is loaded. The flat picker min.js, and let's see on the head there should be a flat picker CSS script loaded. Which one is that? Flat picker. No flat picker, seriously? Let's see. Flat. Oh yeah, here. Oh yeah, so the style sheet is loaded on the footer. You can actually load it on the style sheet on the header by create a new action and then change this to WP head, WP head, and then just move this from this function to your new function. But I will let it for now. And the second is we're gonna initialize the script, the flat picker script. So this input field letter will trigger the flat picker to run. The first thing is, let's see, which one is that? I forget. Here. I'm gonna wait until all the document is loaded, and then later I'm gonna run the function. So wait until all document loaded, and then we run the function, yeah, something like that. And let's go to the flat picker example. Is there any example I can choose? Example basic. And just skip it. Let's skip it. Let's use a code pen. Which one is here? So this is the code pen. No, not this one. Seriously, I think I will use my existing code here. So you can see here, this is the finished code. So I'm gonna just put first line, copy the first line. I'm bad when it explaining the script and PHP because I'm not really good, but in short description, this will I'm gonna create a variable, and then this, I'm not sure if this is variable or const or whatever it name, but it will target our input field, which I'm gonna use as a date range field. So let's change this value of the attribute of the field attribute. If you open your console and then target the field, you will see that there is the input name here. The tag is name, and I'm gonna target this. Just copy this and then change the value here. Okay, and let's move it to the second code. I think this one. Script, yeah, I think this one. Yep. Let's paste it. Oops. My input, yeah, you know, this is my input. Is this already defined? So this is the element with the field, the input field, which I want to show the calendar UI, the date range UI, and this is the option of the flat picker. There is many options you can use. The config option, or even here is what you can use. And for creating a date range, there is mode of config option, and you can see on my code the mode and the value is range. And let's update it. Okay, snippet, update it, and let's reload the page. Okay, so let's click the field. Okay, it will show the UI of the calendar, and if you let's test the date range. Let's click the Sunday, April 2 April and then here you can see the date range UI is showing up. So let's click 29 April. Okay, so this field will automatically show the value which the user choose. So let's test. Oops. Okay, let's load first. Because I already implement the hidden field, the honeypot field on the form, I need to be careful. Let's say the full name is Stefan, my name is email smallmadrid@gmail.com, message, my message, date range, and let's choose the date range, and let's send it. Okay, message successfully sent. Okay, I already has a message. Okay, so this is the message. Full name. Full name, email, message, and date range here. We already have a date range value sent to our email. So if you need something like this, you can follow this tutorial. Of course, this is not the best tutorial, the best method, I think. If you I think there are so many ways to do this with a much better efficiency, effectively, and much better secure, I think. So use this. As I always say, use all my method as an emergency case or temporary solution until you think that this is good solution. You can use that on your project. And yep. Oops. Oh yeah, no. I thought it's not working. So thank you for watching. This is weekend, not weekend. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I think I'm gonna take a holiday vacation since I'm gonna celebrate the Eid on maybe on Friday, on a Saturday. But if you have any question, you can like send me email. If I have a time, I will reply it as soon as possible. Or you can just write on the comment box down below. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you, bye bye.